Hey, Kazuki here. So I was just doing some packing for moving out, and I was going through my t-shirts, and I love t-shirts, and I have a few from like Zara or Banana Republic. They're okay, but you know the what do you call it? The color gets really like like this wavy and stuff. And I have been kind of wanting to get the new, more high quality t-shirts. And just I kind of noticed that I keep watching their ads. It's a company called Buck Mason. They're kind of known for made in USA t-shirts. And like really simple. I like this like packaging is really cool. So I found out there's the store in Chicago. So I'm gonna go check it out and buy maybe 2 or 3 t-shirts. So let's go. Alright guys, I'm at the Armitage Brown Light Station. That way it's going to be downtown. And there's a Buck Mason store here. So take a walk for a little bit and go check out the t-shirts. Beautiful. Just lowered the FPS to 30. It was 60 FPS and just realized the camera is not gonna live long enough. Looks, looks still, it looks still fine. Now let's go down the stairs. I shouldn't be too long, but kind of walk for a little bit. There's a college nearby, so the DePaul University. So I would say this is like a college town. A lot of younger people are here. Maybe we can go to the other side of the street. It's really cool.
Yeah.
It should be really close.
From Nebraska though, so farm boy.
This is a really cool cobbler. It's the end of August, but there's still cicadas and it's quite nice. It got definitely colder, but a nice neighborhood. And there it goes, I found the Buck Mason. Let's get inside and Alright guys, I had to kind of mute or lower the volume because there's actually a loud music in the store just to be safe so my video doesn't get demonetized. I decided to do the voiceover. And here are the t-shirts of Buck Mason. I believe the one we're looking at right now is Pima, and it seems like this is their like most classic, iconic T-shirts. They use USA grown cotton, and I believe they have like a knitting mill in Monton, Pennsylvania. Here's a slab. I like these better. They feel more relaxed compared to Pima. I believe these ones were not made in the US, so you gotta pay attention and read the description. They do sell T-shirts also made in like Vietnam and other country as well. They feel really nice too. And I picked three Pima, three slabs. So just wanted to give it a try, and I like the fitting room. It's really big, and yeah, it was nice. And the first time trying the Pima, the gray, and they both a size S. I want you to kind of pay attention to the sleeves. They're a little short and a lot tighter. And this is slub. It's a little bit more relaxed, bigger fit, and I liked it better. And decided to buy a couple of the slub. And just also kind of wanted to show you guys what's in the store. You can grab these like a free matches. I don't know why, but a lot of clothing stores and brands in USA they tend to have like free matches. I think it's really cool. And these are Japanese denim. They said I mean they seem like it's still made in USA, but it's a Japanese the salvage denim. You know what I'm talking about. The price for them is roughly like 200, maybe 230 or something like that. So I don't know too much about denims or jeans, but just so you guys know, they also have a Japanese salvage denim too. It's really cool stuff. And yeah, it's in a really nice neighborhood, nice store. I enjoyed talking to the store clerks, really nice, helpful. And yeah, here's the look of the inside of the store. I'm coming back definitely for more shirts. Hey guys, I got my first shirt from Buck Mason.
Natural adult fonts. No, I know. And it changed, but it those babies.
It was like $100 together. I got two shirts. So it wasn't cheap, but I want to give it a try. And if I like it, I might come back. Alright guys, I got back home. I'm trying to move out and packing my stuff, so it's a little bit messy. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys the Made in USA t-shirts from Buck Mason, and again, kind of show you guys what it looks like and how they feel, fit, and all that. So let's grab the shirts and let me show you guys those t-shirts. Actually, let me move first. Just AC going on, so hopefully the sound of AC is not in the video too much. So first off, you can grab these like a cool postcard for free. You can get the little matches. I like how a lot of American like a clothing stores brands have like a free matches. Pretty cool. And here is the t-shirt. Let me get the lighting. Actually, I'm gonna turn off the AC now. Alright. I got the two size S t-shirts. And there are a few different kinds of t-shirts, made in America ones. And I think that the Puma or Pima, I forgot the name. I tried a few different kinds, and as you guys saw earlier in the video, the other one that I had my eyes on was a little bit too tight fit, because I go to gym and kind of getting bigger. So I got the it's called Slub. The Slub, they are more like relaxed, bigger fit. And I want to get the white t-shirt because I feel like the white t-shirt is the iconic, classic, looks good on everything, everyone kind of shirt. But I only have some white t-shirts, and I know the Buck Mason has the like a kit, like a tough kit. I think that's what's called. That comes with the two pairs of one pair, two white t-shirts. They didn't have it on the spot, so I gonna go get it some other time. So I got the brown and the coal. Feels very nice. So you can get the kind of difficult to get the. Is it too close, huh? Alright. And these things are not cheap. I'm not gonna lie. One t-shirt is $48, and it's a lot of places in Chicago are doing Labor Day sales like 20%, 30%, even 50% off. But Buck Mason didn't. There was no sales going on, which I was kind of disappointed about. I was kind of hoping that the nice shirts would be sold a little bit cheaper. I guess they don't do any sales too often. That's fine. So I'm gonna try the brown and show you guys what it looks like on me. So this is the Slub size S, a brown. Hopefully you can get the good look. And I'm kind of short, like maybe 5.5 feet. Japanese, I think I'm a little bit bigger for a Japanese guy because I go to gym and stuff. And this is how it feels, how it fits. If you get the Pima, fits like much tighter. I think the sleeves were a lot shorter, so I think I like the fit. It's really light. I don't know how durable this is. Really soft, and I don't know say thin, but it's not too thick. But I felt the coal and the brown it felt a little bit thicker on the fingertip. Probably you can see. So this is the Slav, the brown. Really nice fit. I like it. And again, it was like $48 with tax. It was almost $50. So I've personally never paid like that much money for just a t-shirt. Usually I go to like Zara or Banana Republic when they do sales. So I never paid over like probably like $30 for a t-shirt. But I just love made in America things. I believe the cotton also milled in, oh sorry, they're grown in USA and milled in Pennsylvania, and these shirts are sewn in California. So it's from the material ingredients, it's from America, is what they claim. So that's pretty cool. I like the color. Hopefully I don't get the weird the color, the wavy thing. I gotta be careful when I wash them. Let's try that call and show you guys what it looks like. So this is call. Again, it's slab, so it should fit the same. And also they have two different type of cut. I think the other one has more like a roundy cut, but I prefer the square, just straight line. So I got these. It's a nice color. I like coal. My black is cool too, but I prefer like distressed, like a grayish black is my favorite. Let me get that on the mirror. So this is the coal. Fit really nice. It's awkward to hold the camera, but hopefully you can get the good view, good look. Yeah, I really like it. Yeah, I might actually go back sometime next week and grab a few more, maybe 2 more shirts. Really cool. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the video. You probably might have seen the YouTube ads of Buck Mason one point, and that's how I knew about them. I thought they were in like Pennsylvania or New York or California, but recently found out that they have a store in Chicago. So I went there and got myself a few shirts, and I really love the fit, how it feels, and also the fact that it's made in America. I like helping kind of small business in the U.S. I have to kind of see about how they're gonna hold up, like especially the color. I probably going to do like a machine wash for these, and hopefully they'll hold up pretty well and last long. And I might actually go back again maybe soon, maybe next week, to buy a few more shirts. And I gotta get the tough kit, the 2 shirts set that they sell. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you know any other t-shirts that you like, let me know in the comments, and oh, by the way, I'm flying out to Utah in a month. I used to live there a lot, so I'll make a video about my stay, my time in Utah as well. Haven't decided what kind of video I want to do, but it's going to be interesting. Are we in a small town in Utah? Probably not. A lot of you guys know about, so it's gonna be a cool video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.